Ate Daisy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Sana maging fresh ka lagi as these flowers here. Yeah. So, happy birthday from me and Yan, and hope you have a very nice and wonderful celebration. At sana pabata ka pa ng pabata. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Daisy. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. See you soon, girl.
Happy birthday to my celebrity barkada, Carmina/Daisy. Thank you for the decades of friendship, and I'm so blessed to have a sister in you. Wishing you more happiness, good health, and just have fun on your special day. Miss and love you. Bye!
Hi, Ate Days. Happy birthday. Hindi ako fresh ngayon. Wala akong eyelash. Nasa duty ako. Happy birthday, te. May nag-open ng door. Wish ko sa'yo good health, saka more blessings, more travel to come. At magpunta tayong Switzerland ulit.
Happy birthday, Lola Days! Enjoy your day! Sana makahanap ka na ng blue eyes mo. See you soon!
Come on. Song na ikaw. Song na.
Go.
No. Happy birthday.
Happy
Say, song na.
to you.
Happy birthday. Song na. Song.
Sing.
Song ka.
Sing,
Song.
dali.
Sing na.
Sing happy birthday. Dali, happy birthday to you.
After you sing, you gonna blow the candle, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sing na. Dali.
Ano na yun,
Give it
naka-record
to-
na yun.
Okay. Oh, at 1, 2, 3. Song na ikaw, dali.
Sing na ikaw, dali.
Sing na ikaw.
Sing, happy
birthday. Dali na. To turn up.
Gusto
Ayoko
niya siya
na.
mag-blow ng candle.
Oh, song ikaw. Halika.
Oh, you need to sing,
Come
okay?
here. Sing.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, calm down.
All the best, tita.
No.
Happy birthday, Ate Daisy. We wish you good health and happiness in life. Take care, God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Daisy. Happy 50th birthday, Golden Girl.
Golden
Enjoy your day.
Libre naman, ate. Pahingin nung ano yung binake mo last time?
Kenny Rogers.
Kenny Rogers. Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Enjoy.
Hi, Ate Daisy. Happy birthday. I praise God for your life. Thank you for taking care of Vince, nanay, your tatay. And I pray for more happy and blessed life. Take care.
Happy birthday, Daisy! And more birthdays to come. God bless you more and more troubles. Sana with me. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daisy!
We miss you.
Enjoy!
Enjoy your celebration. Bye.
Bye! Bisita dito.
Come here soon. Yeah?
Happy birthday, Ninang Daisy. Thank you for the consolidation. See you soon. Love you.
Hi sis, happy 50th birthday. I hope you will enjoy your birthday. And sana you will have more travels to come. And sana makauwi ka ng Pinas next week so we can have our bonding moments. Hope you will enjoy your day. We miss you. Sana na-surprise ka namin. Bye!
Hello, Ate Daisy. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Daisy! Happy birthday! Ano lang, enjoy lang ang life and it's okay. It's just number 50. Okay lang yun. And thank you na lagi mo kaming naaalala, especially pag nandito ka sa Philippines. We'll see you soon. Enjoy!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! We love you!
Hi, Daisy. I was trying to capture Mayon Volcano kanina, kaya lang pag video masyado na siyang maliwanag yung kasama ko. So, yan yung Mayon Volcano. Right now, nasa Bicol International Airport ako kasi pa-Manila ako. Daisy, happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Welcome to the club! Dumadami na tayong 50, but it's all good. Okay lang yun. I wish you all the best. And sana enjoy mo yung birthday month mo. Okay, 2 things I remember about Daisy. Elementary kami, lagi kaming nasa front ng pila kasi kami yung mga maliliit. And then, second, nung high school tayo, we share the same passion. Passion talaga. Sa Smoky Mountain, di ba? Tayo nila Ate Rhea, tsaka ni Aileen. So, ayun, yun yung mga naalala ko about us. Hopefully, makavisit kami dyan ng family ko. Pasyal mo rin kami ha, like what you did with our batchmates, sila Nadiline, tsaka sila Dorcas. Kita-kita tayo. Pasyal mo ko kay Harry Potter, tsaka kay Sherlock Holmes, sa bahay, apartment ni Sherlock Holmes. Again, I wish you well. And thank you, Nadia, for arranging this video greeting. See you soon, guys.
Hi, Daisy. Happy birthday. Welcome to the club. I wish you the best. God bless you. And sana makita ulit tayo nila, Nadia. Whether dito sa Sweden or sa London. Sana wala nang strike. Panagpunta ako ulit. Again, happy birthday. Take care.
Hi Daisy, happy 50th birthday. Greetings from Japan with my apo. Wish ko na sana ibigay sa'yo ng Diyos ang mga hinihiling mo at good health. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa pagpasyal mo sa akin dyan sa London, sa pagsama mo sa akin, nanood tayo ng Phantom of the Opera. Talagang it was a great experience for me. Maraming salamat. At sana makapasyal din kayo dito. Ipapasyal ko kayo. Enjoy!
Hi Daisy! Happiest 50th birthday. Welcome to the club. Nauna lang kami ng ilang paligo. I truly appreciate the friendship, lalo na yung recent trip namin sa London, meeting you and Nadia. Brought so much memories. Dito ako sa backyard kasi lagi ang mga pictures mo nasa magandang flowers. So, I wanna be like you. Ang galing mo mag-edit, ang galing mong mag-post, ang galing mong kumuha ng area kung saan ang angle is talagang picture perfect. Ikaw na talaga. What I remember most about you, I really admired you noon pa. Kasi lagi kang prim and proper, uniform mo laging malinis, you always look fresh, ang hair, hindi nagbago. Until now, you look the same, parang high schooler. Pati ang katawan, hindi nagbago. Slim and sexy and pretty. And I'm wishing you all the best. This is just the age. We'll meet again, hopefully Sweden, or dito sa US, or Japan, or London. Kahit saan pa yon. It was nice bonding with you guys again. Especially sa inyo ni Nadia dun sa London with Maricel. Hopefully more na tayo sa susunod. Wishing you a happiest 50th birthday. And see you soon. God bless.
Hi Daisy. Happy birthday. And Golden Girls na tayo. Pero hindi halata. Anyways, I tried to look for old photos dito, but unfortunately, naiwan ko sila lahat sa Pilipinas. So, nagsabi pa naman ako kay Nadia, maghahanap ako. Pero wala akong nakita. When I look at your posts, talagang walang nagbago sa'yo. As in, you're the same Daisy na classmate ko noon. Quiet, prim and proper, sabi niya. At habang maingay kami lahat, makulit, nakaupo ka lang, quiet. Although for sure, meron ka rin mga kulit moments, di ba? Talagang, hopefully, one day magkita rin tayo, makabisita kami dyan. Sabi ko nga kay Nadia, bibisita kami dyan one of these days. Hopefully soon, pag may budget na. Pinili ko naman background is ang aking kalamansi na tinanim ko kasi medyo mahirap nga maghanap dito ng kalamansi, medyo mahal. So nagtanim na lang ako. At ang aking lemon, banda doon, ang aking orange tree, alam mo na mga plantita na, mga golden girls, mga plantita na. At yun na lang yung mga pinagkakaabalahan bukod sa mga chikiting. And yun, happy birthday. Sana magchika-chikahan din tayo kahit sa messenger lang, video calls, ganyan, makapagchikahan. Or Zoom na reunion ng mga Mariana mula sa Pilipinas, hindi maka-attend ng talagang reunion nila. Yun. And yun, happy birthday! Bye!
Hi Daisy! Kumusta ka dyan? I'd like to wish you a very happy birthday. Sabi nga nila, welcome to the golden era. Welcome to the club. So, my vivid memory about you when we were in high school, siguro, very prim and proper ka. Kasama mo yung mga nerdy sa ating classroom. So, group mo yung talagang ang sisipag mag-aaral. So, I also remember that you also visited St. Mary's back then. Hindi ko lang maalala kung anong taon yon na dumalaw ka, at natuwa ako kasi nakadalaw ka at nakita mo yung iba nating mga teachers na nandoon pa. So, walang nagbago sa'yo, actually. Ganun pa rin. Tapos, ang ganda-ganda mo pa rin. Parang hindi ka 50 years old. And, I'm happy that you are already settled there. And, I'm happy to see you, Nadia, and our other classmates going together there and having fun together. And sana magkaroon din kami ng chance to meet you there sa London. And I'm wishing you good health. Yun talagang pinaka-importante. Good health, and I know that you are always praying for your family back home. And yung career mo dyan sa London, I'm pretty sure that you're doing very well. And that's it. Happy birthday, and I hope to see you sometime soon. Okay, bye. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Daisy. See you soon.
Yeah. Hi, Daisy. Happy 50th birthday. Yeah, so a few more years we'll be seniors. We can take advantage of the senior discounts already. So, I just want to wish you all the happiness, good health, and of course, more travels. I'm just really glad na I was able to visit you in London. It was really nice to reconnect with you. And thank you for being patient with us. I mean, you waited for us sa Grindelwald, sa Gisbach Falls, and 2 beses ka pang nagpunta ng airport para sunduin lang kami ni Doris. So thank you so much for that, and sana we can travel again together. It was really great to spend time with you. Again, wishing you all the best.
Hi, Daisy. Happy birthday. Praying for your continued success,
good health, and plenty of joy this year. I am truly blessed to have you as my friend. Imagine since second grade till college, and even after college, we were together when we started building our own careers, from the clinic in Cavite, then finding a job that will actually earn us money. We did a lot of things together. We were so inseparable. We grew together. We learned from each other. We have tons of unforgettable experiences, happy moments. But for me, one of the unforgettable moments that we had is the earthquake incident in Cara's condo when we were in college. Anyways, I wish you all the best and enjoy your special day. And I'm very thankful that we were given a chance and the opportunity to spend time together again. And I'm looking forward for our next get-together. Hopefully to see you soon. Happy birthday! Love you!
Hello. Daisy, kamusta? Eto, okay naman kami dito. Pero kasalanan na naman to ni classmate natin na si Doris. Sinabihan ako, tulog pa ako. Very, very early in the morning. Tapos, sabi, kailangan ko raw mag-send ng greeting sa'yo within 30 minutes. Grabe, no? Tapos, nasa biyahe pa ako. Kasalanan naman talaga to ni Doris. Pero anyway, most importantly, I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. And wow, time flies. Since nung graduate tayo nung late 80s sa Pasay sa Philippines. But I'm really grateful that we can still connect after all those years. So yun lang. Once again, I would like to greet you a very happy birthday and hope you enjoy the rest of your very special day today. And once again, really grateful that we can still connect. And yun lang. And ingat lagi dyan.
Happy 50th birthday, Daisy. Wishing you all the joy, health, and all the good things you deserve.
Hello, Daisy, happy birthday. 50 years old ka na ba? Ang bilis naman ng panahon. Still remember me, your elementary teacher? No? Doing elementary, you are so shy and very silent and very kind. Now, when you grow up, you really change a lot, no? And you have a son who is too handsome. Happy birthday and God bless. Ingat kayo lagi. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Tita.
We wish you all the best. Another 50 years more to come.
Thanks for everything, Tita. I hope to see you 100.
We love you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.
May the Lord be with you always. And I thank the Lord that you made it to 50. And I hope to see you as 100. And I hope to see you 100 in my adulthood. Thank you for everything, Tita.
We love you.
We love you so much.
Hi Daisy! Happy birthday!
And I think to myself,
more blessings to come. God bless you.
what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself,